Frost flowers are such a cool phenomenon, right? They form when the temperature drops and create these stunning, delicate ice crystals. Let's dive into this beautiful wonder. Frost flowers form when certain herbaceous plants have the right mix of environmental and biological factors, usually on their lower stems, such as white crownbeard, Verbena virginica, and wingstem, Verbena, or scientists think these plants keep their roots active longer and break apart when frozen. Weather conditions: the air temperature must be below freezing, a hard freeze. When the liquid sap inside the stem is exposed to the freezing air, it begins to freeze and expand. This expansion exerts pressure, causing linear fissures, small, vertical cracks, to split along the lower stem of the plant. As more liquid water is drawn up from the still warm ground, it is forced through these small cracks. The water freezes immediately upon contact with the sub-freezing air. As the continuous flow of water freezes and is pushed out, it forms the characteristic thin, curling ribbons of ice that resemble flower petals. This process is a type of ice segregation.